What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. It's your boy the Cuffing Cowboy here, back with the Shacklemen's Challenge number 4. This week's challenge is pretty straightforward. Take a pair of Smith & Wesson handcuffs and pick them with a paper clip. Probably for a lot of you, this is the way you learned how to pick handcuffs the first time. I know it was for me. A couple of different methods for manipulating the paper clip. I like to just get it at about a 90-degree angle. Go in, get a little bit of a good hook with the paper clip, and then go in. And defeat that locking mechanism. Now, I accidentally did this challenge last week as part of challenge number 3, so I thought I'd also bring in my 1950s vintage Smith & Wesson cuffs and see if they work just as well. Go ahead and use the same paper clip because that's the one I've got. Let's go in and and there we go. So anyway, Shacklemen's Challenge number 4. Go get your clippy on.